Hey there, document user. Welcome to your quick guide on generating a document from an Airtable base. Let's make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, start by cloning the base and template you'll find in the documentation. Once that's done, it's time to connect Airtable to Documint. Under Sources in the right pane, you will see the Airtable connection as an option. Click Connect and, in the pop-up, go for the Sign In with Airtable option. It will automatically connect your Airtable account, and you will grant the needed access. You can share all current and future bases you have or choose specific bases. In this video, I'll grant access to all the bases. Now back in Documint, select the Small Business Budget base and then choose the Salaries table. Once it's done, continue to select the fields. To go faster, you can select all fields, but you can also just select the needed fields. Everything should be connected beautifully. Let's add an attachment field to the Salaries table so we can store the PDF we generate. Once you've done that, go back to the template and, in the Airtable connection under Sources, click on Add Formula and pick the Generation Link option. Choose that attachment field. You'll see the generation link appear, ready for you to copy. Now it's back to the Salaries table for one last step. Create a button field, paste the generation link into the formula field, and save it. When you're ready, just click that button and ta-da! You've just generated your very first document. The data from that record will merge seamlessly with the template, and your linked record items will display dynamically. Feel free to give it a shot, and remember, if you need a hand, our support chat is here to help. Happy documenting!